Now in this video we will learn about indexing. Okay, so we have, let me just print train table. Yeah, we have these four rows, right? Train number and speed and country. So assume we want to know only the speeds, we only want to see the speed column, right? So in that case we will just write train, in the box bracket we will just write speed. Okay, now if I run it, okay, it is showing an error. That is because it is case sensitive. Okay, so since we have this s in uppercase, we have to write s in uppercase. Okay, so if I run it now, you can see it is showing me only the speed and data type of speed. Similarly, if I write over here country, it will show me the countries and the data type of the country column, right? And now I'll just write over here speed, and assume we want to know only a certain amount of rows. In that case we will just write another box bracket. Okay, so train speed will show the column of speeds. Okay, no. So the train speed will show only the speed column. So now if I write 0 over here, so 0 indicates only the first row, right? It will show 90 only. So if I run it, you can see it is only showing 90. Similarly, if you write over here 3, it will only show 87. Okay, and you can also change the values of that particular section. For example, we don't want this fourth train to be 87 speed, we can set it to 100. So if I write 100 over here, now if I run it, it will obviously show an warning. That is because we are trying to set on a copy of a slice from a data frame, right? We will see more about this warning in the later videos, but for now that's perfect. And now if I try to print train, you can see now the value is now changed. Okay, so you can see here it is now 100. Okay, now you can notice one thing, that the indexing is like 0 1 2 3. We don't want this kind of indexing, right? Sometimes we want to start from 1, like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in that case we can also customize the indexing. So we just need to write train dot index, then that is equals to, in the box bracket we have to write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, because we have only 4 rows, right? So now if I run it and print train, you can see now the indexing is changed to 1 2 3 4. Similarly, that is not mandatory to write in integer format only, you can write strings as well. For example, I'll just copy this one and paste it over here, and I'll just change it with first comma second comma third, and the last one is fourth. Okay, oops, it's fourth. Great. Now if I run it and print train, now you can see now the indexing is changed with string values. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. So guys, I hope you understand that. So to access the row you have to write the index, and to access the column we have to write the column name, right? So you can see from here, so where is that? Yeah, you can see that if you want to access the column, we have to write this column name, and if you want to access the row we have to write the index of that particular row, right?